Hi, welcome to Driving TV, and I hope you are well. And welcome to another Sunday. In this video, I will be sharing with you a few things about when you are turning right and when you are turning left. Many learners, they make the mistake, the things which I'm going to cover in this video, when they are turning right and when they are turning left. So firstly, turning right. When you are turning right at the end of the road or maybe on a crossroad, and sometimes there is a parked car next to the junction. So for you to turn right as you are going round the parked car, many learners, they don't come back to the left again before they make the turn. Because if the parked car is next to the junction, obviously because of the parked car, you have to go round the parked car. So you go round, and before you make the turn, because the junction is quite close, the learner is not coming back to the left again before they make the turn, which I will explain in a minute with a diagram. And also when you are turning left, and if you can't see the road that you are going in, then make sure that the speed is slow and go slowly, because as you enter the new road, there could be a parked car, there could be somebody crossing the road, or there could be many problems as you enter. So if you go too fast and all of a sudden you realize there is a problem, then it will be difficult for you to deal with that problem when you enter the new road. So when you enter the new road, especially on the left, make sure if you can't see the road that you're going in, make sure the speed is low and think of lower gear. Second, if not even first, if you think you have to go really slowly. So if I show you the turning right first, so say this is your car and you want to go right, okay? So you want to go right into this road and there are parked car here. The problem is many learners, they look at the mirrors, obviously, they put the signal on, and because of the parked car, they go there, and then after that, they don't come back. They turn right from here. And this is problem in the test, especially. And even if it's not the test, you have to come back to your lane. So you have to, as soon as you've gone around the parked car, you need to come back here and then you make your turn. Okay, so this is one of the problems many learners make. You look at the mirrors, you put the signal on and make sure there's no one coming, and then you go around the parked car and make sure you come back to your lane, to your side, and then make the turn. Don't go like, many even, they go like this. So can you see the difference? So this is the problem. Make sure you come back to your side before you make the turn. And the other problem I was saying going left is, say this is your car and you want to go left. Now for you to go left, the problem is you are going into a new road and you don't really know what's happening here. There could be problem here. There could be parked car very close to the junction. There could be somebody crossing the road. There could be an accident. There could be something there that you can't see from here. So what you have to make sure is that your speed is low here because you can't see anything. So slow down, maybe 10 miles per hour, about 2 cars away from the junction, and go to second gear. Or even go slower about here and go to first gear and do the clutch control if you can't see, because if you go too fast and all of a sudden there's a parked car or maybe somebody crossing the road and you didn't see from here because maybe there's a wall here or maybe there's an obstruction here, because of that you couldn't see. So you need to make sure that your speed is low and go slowly, and as you enter, if you see the problem, and then you could deal with the problem, maybe stop here and then go around. There could be parked car here and there could be somebody coming as well. So maybe there's no space for you to go. So unless you go slowly, you don't really see what's happening in the new road. Okay? So if you can't see, speed low, maybe second gear if not first, and enter slowly and then see what the problem is and then deal with the problem and go. Now as we drive on this road, we are coming up to an end of the road, and you will see just before the junction we have parked cars on the left. Now because of the parked cars, we have to go around, but before we make the turn we must come back to our side of the road before we make the turn, as you can see now. So we come to our side first and then we make the turn. Now here we have another example. On this crossroad we will be turning right. As you can see, there is a parked car. So what do? as we go around, we come back to our side, and then from our side we make the turn. So make sure you remember this. If there's a parked car close to the junction, come back to your side after the parked car, then make the turn to go right. Many learners, they make that mistake. They don't come back to the left lane. Now in this road, we will be turning left. Now, as I said to you before on the diagram, if you can't see the road that you're going in, make sure you go slowly because you don't know what's around the corner. And as you can see here, now the road that we want to go is left. And what problem do we have? We have a person, maybe they want to cross the road. We can't see anything, so we need to go slowly. As we enter, now what do we see? We have a van, then we have a parked car. There could be somebody coming, and then if it was, and if the speed was high, there could be a problem. So if you can't see the road that you are going in, make sure you go slowly so that when you enter, if there is a problem, you could deal with the problem. Many learners, the speed is too high, and then when they enter, there's a parked car, or maybe there's somebody crossing the road, and they are in trouble. Now here again, we want to turn left, and as you can see, obviously you look at the mirrors and then you signal to go left. Now before the left, as you can see here, there is a van before the turn. Can you see anything? You can't. So if you go fast here, you're going to be in trouble. So you need to go slowly to see if there's a problem into the road that you're going in. So my point is that if you can't see the road that you're going in, make sure the speed is low, and as you enter, as you can see here now, there is a parked car. Okay, and if there was somebody coming now, there could be a problem. So if you can't see, go slowly so you could deal with the problem if there is a problem. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you did, please do give a thumbs up, and please do make a comment what you think of the video. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. Also, press the bell icon so that every time I upload any video, you will be notified for you to watch the video first. See you on the next video. Bye for now.